All right, this is called a compound inequality, and this is what's also called an in-between compound inequality because our variable is located in between two inequalities. Now, we're going to view this as if there's three sides to the inequality. And no, I did not misspeak. N is in the very middle of everything, okay? 9 is tagging along when it shouldn't be. So we have to get rid of 9. How do you get rid of a positive 9 that's just floating around? Well, you subtract it from 9. And if you subtract it from 9, you subtract it from not both sides, but all three sides. What that does is the middle now becomes positive n, which is just n, and now n is all by itself alone in the middle. Negative 10 is negative 1 minus 9. I think I salvaged that. And 17 minus 9 is 8. Now, this is called an in-between statement because when you have number is less than n is less than a number, this is literally saying that our variable, the numbers that we care about, is in between negative 10 and positive 8. So how do we show this on a number line? Well, negative 10 and positive 8 are kind of far apart from each other, so why don't I put 0 in the middle and go by even numbers, and I think I should barely be able to just fit this in. Did it over there, negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, negative 8, negative 10. What you do with an in-between statement is since this number is less than 8, we are literally saying that n lives in between negative 10 and 8. So here's negative 10. I'm going to put a circle around it and not include it because that's not or equal to. Let me get a thicker one like that. I'm also going to put a circle at regular 8 and not fill it in because that's not equal to either. And n is any possible number in between negative 10 and 8. So I'm going to shade all of the numbers in between negative 10 and 8. That green shading says I am allowed to choose any number in between negative 10 and positive 8, plug it into the original equation, and I'll get a true statement. Like I can pick 2, and when I pick 2, I would get 9 plus 2 is 11. So negative 1 is less than 11, which is true, which is less than 17, which is true. Okay, so in between statements are literally just what they sound like, in between.